This is El Moro Pigeon Show. Welcome, everyone. I am your host, El Moro, and today I'm doing a toss. I don't know how far. All I know is that I feel led to go to Highway 17. There you got, it says Trip A. All the birds that I have here are hens. They are all good. God, excuse my, hair and stuff like that. Anyway, they are all good. All the wings are good in their hair. Hey guys, this is uncut with bloopers and all, okay? Alright? Okay. So, yeah. All the birds that I have now, all their wings are good, all the flights are good. I'm going to Highway 17. But I have a couple of birds that are youngsters, never been tossed from that distance before. So it's kind of like a confidence toss for them. This is as farthest as they ever been. So they better trail back. If they don't have the skill. And let's see what happens. Okay? So as I always do, man, I always put the mileage. And I always put the trajectory, where I'm going. It's a little late. It's going to be 11. But that's okay because it's cool weather. I always put where I'm going because I don't want you to think that I'm going around in circles. This is already one mile. Okay, 1 mile. I'm turning right. Now you can tell this is straight away. You know why I do this, man? Because that way it leaves no doubt, you know? All these people, you got some of these guys, they film, they load in the birds, then you don't see nothing no more. And they go to a place, and they can say anything. They can say 70 miles. How am I gonna know? They can say 100 miles. They can say 24 miles. When in reality, they only let them go from like 2 miles. Man, there's people that do that. You'd be surprised, you know? You'd be surprised. I want you to know that all this here is woods. As you can tell, this is not city. It's all woods, country. And there's a lot of predators here like hawks and falcons. And where I'm going is horrible. But I believe with all my heart that Yah is with me. And with my birds, He will never leave me nor forsake me. And that my birds are going to be okay. I already prayed this morning for traveler's mercies for my birds coming back. I got all whites back there. Oh, you can't see it? I don't know. Yeah, I got all whites back there. And I got about 5 black diamonds and 1 Vangloom. Couple of Vanglooms, mother and daughter, and I got one of Abraham's birds there that I bought from him when they were very little. It's a Sion. It's a Sion white hen, but it's not white. It's a splash because she's got a huge splash a huge brown splash in her back. I gotta slow down here because got this gentleman here with the bike, and this street is dangerous. So, you know. Anyway, he's having fun. I do that. Let me put the windows up. If it gets too dust in here, then I'll put the windows down. There you go. Alright, so it's a beautiful day. Anyway, yeah, that Sion hen I have there belongs to Abraham. Well, it's mine now. I bought it. But it came from Abraham, but it's not white. It's got a huge brown splash in her back. But guess what, man? It's a really good hen. And I put them with my whites. And it gives me all whites. All whites. It gives me all whites. You know? And let me see, the Van Loom girl that I have there is from Abraham too. Well, not really. The mother came from Abraham. And the grandmother of the other one came from Abraham. Same hen. So I had a Van Loom. I made him with my Splash huge white bird. And they gave me that one chocolate bar. And out of all the birds that I gave back to Abraham, I kept that one. Because at that time, I only wanted whites. So I gave Abraham 38 birds back. I only wanted whites. But then I'm like, oh man, no way. I got it. So I kept that one. And I kept the Sion bird. Because it gives me only whites. Then I went back to Abraham and got back my the red that I bought from him that I gave him. Yeah, man, I like those color birds. So then what I got now is the black diamonds from Belgium, the descendants of those. You know, those didn't come from Abraham. As you can tell right now, I'm in a very large street. And I'm gonna take that to a street that takes me all the way to the woods. Whoops. Yeah. Street that takes me all the way. You know what? Let me go over here. See, a lot of people, man, they drive on this lane right here. And they stay on that lane when they should, in reality, drive only in this lane. You know why? Because you got, see those two cars, see that white car there trying to come out? See, when he try to come out, see, he's going to come out right now. He can't go because this dude right here is on that line. It's on that lane, see? But they don't know that, man. They're selfish. So, you know, that happens when you have the Most High in you. It gives you righteousness, some kind of righteousness and common sense and compassion. And then you see your faults. Because I used to do that. But now I just go there. Hey, man, I got to drink water. So y'all give me a minute. Give me a minute. Here we go. Alright, is this backwards? Ooh, I put it backwards. Sorry about that. Hold up. There you go. Yeah, we're right now at 6 miles. If I ever put something too fast, you guys just can't stop and pause. And look, see? 6.1 miles. This is going to be a nice stall. So I really love 17. Highway 17 The only thing is that everybody tosses from there. See, you got, as I always say, 5,000 birds or more, starting especially right now in November, to exercise, tossing. But they toss it early in the morning. So they go to 95 all the way up. But a lot of people go to Arcadia because the people even Jeff is in Port Charlotte, and right now he's releasing his tossing out of Arcadia. He says that is a better route or a closer route because 95 takes him far away. That's 7 miles. 95 takes him far away. So they go out of Arcadia because a lot of people from Port Charlotte, Cape Coral, Fort Myers, Lehigh, you know, the birds get there faster if they're released from Arcadia. It's another town. It's like 70 miles away. I'm not driving those 70 miles. But I do give my birds to raisers, and they raise their birds. You know? Guys, I'm going to take this opportunity to let you know that if you buy my whites in quantity, I will give you a huge deal, huge discount. Like if you buy 100 birds or 50 birds. Okay? My birds, the original price of my birds is $50 a bird. But right now they're going for $25 because I got too many birds breeding in January. And I already have a big list. So if you buy in quantity, it's got to be like more than 50, guys. If you buy like more than 50 birds, I'll give you a deal. Maybe something like $15 a bird. You know? Okay, and that's a real good deal for my birds. These birds are proven, you know, that I do tosses all the time. It's in the blood. It's in their blood. See, I can take 75 to 17, but nah, I like this route, man. I like this route. It's the same distance, but I like the woods here and everything. Let me see if I can make that green light. The thing is that this line right here merges, but it's okay because I'm passing all these people. See. Now, I just merge. Oh, no. This guy is so mean. Why? Why are you going to do that? Can I merge, please? Thank you. It's all right. You see how beautiful it is over here? Condominium, St. James Place. That's like a golf course, I think. You guys can fast forward, you know? I released from there before. It's like from right there. It's 8.7 miles. I released from here before. I just like to take this way, man. 8.9. I released from right there. Right back there. Let's see if I can find a good spot on 17 to toss. Because I've been there before, but I never looked really. There's like an open space. So I gotta look for a nice spot to release, to toss the birds. Just enjoy the ride. Because I know a lot of you guys are living in the city, because I used to live in the city for years. This is relaxing for y'all. Look at that. They sell sheds here. Bro, isn't that nice for a loft? Oh my gosh. Look at that. Look at those sheds. That's a loft right there. You modify it to a loft. That place got bigger. They sell plants here. My friend owns a plant thing in Miami. Man, I thought that yesterday was Thursday. Yesterday was Friday. So I was supposed to clean every Fridays. But since I thought that yesterday was Friday, I cleaned yesterday. When I finished cleaning and everything, I'm like, wait a minute, is tomorrow Shabbat? My wife is like, no, today's Thursday. I'm like, oh man, I thought tomorrow was Shabbat already. So instead I released now. But look at that sky, man, blue sky, white dove release. Look at that countryside. Look at those cows, man. I love it here. Look at this. Some people don't like it. Some people don't like the country. Man, I love it. All green. That's why I see that. That's why I paint my love green. Cause you look around you, man. Everything is green, green and blue. Earth tone. These are ranches. People actually live here. That's a house right there. See that? They're selling that. Come on, look at that. They're selling that. Like there, look, all these are houses. Come on, pigeon keepers, move over here, man. The way I got more. Tony, you gotta move out here, Tony. Look at this, all pretty, man. Come on, solo you got. Come over here, buy a ranch, and you can fly your birds here. Look, all those. Look at the house. The only thing, too many trees. But look at that. You can go to an RV, buy an RV, come over here, campground. Yeah, that's an RV campground. Hey, you know what? This is a pigeon toss, but I'm giving you a tour. Move out here, guys. Come on, man. This is the best place for pigeons. Especially if you're racing. If you're racing, man, you got like over 6,000 birds, 5,000 birds over here, maybe more. Racing. Okay, so last time I let go my birds, it was from here. I was supposed to, I let go from here, right there, because I got in trouble from tossing from over there, so they told me toss from here. So that's fine, I'll toss from there. And the other time, which you're going to see in my videos, oh, look at the cops. Oh, let me slow down. I'll toss from there. See what the cop is? I'll toss right from there. Oh man, they have that open there. They have the cop there. Oh, I ain't going there no more. I'll go to the other side like they told me. Guys were really nice though. They were really nice. So now this is 761. Is it? Yeah, this is De Soto now. So now here what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn. All this is country, guys. And I'm going to go to 17. Beautiful 17. See, it turns over here, but it turns back. Check this out. This is a beautiful road right here. Check this out. Guys, man, get out of the city, bro. Get out of all that carbon monoxide. You're breathing carbon monoxide every day. Look at here, look at here, man. Look at this. These are the buildings, the trees. See that? It's like pure air. Look at this. See, they got to cross this river right here. I don't know which river is that. There's a river there. And again, I'm going to say, I don't know why, but a lot of fanciers don't like to toss from where there's water and river. This is a whole different direction. It's more south. Hopefully those youngsters keep up, man. Hopefully, but I think they're good, man. Hopefully they trail back. They can trail with the adults, because I got some veterans birds there, you know. The majority of those are veterans, so the youngsters are going to learn with the veterans. Look at this, guys. Come on, man, move out here. There's another campground there. Trailer home. Get yourself a trailer. Look at that, it's a lake. Now you got gas here in the middle of nowhere. $3.59. Look at these houses. All open. Nice loft right there. Could put your loft here, man. Retire. Come on, Tony. You don't want to retire in New Jersey, man. Come on out here. Move over here. Look at this, Tony. Sold everything, bro. Move over here. Peace of mind. Peace of mind, brother. Look at these houses. Yeah. Well, so far it's 15.6 miles. And you can definitely tell that I'm not going in circles. Oh my gosh, I can't believe people do that. We got a railroad here now coming. Look at this. See that? Oh, wow, that's huge. I'm not coveting. I love my house. See? All that. You got cows. You can put cows here, chicken. You got a railroad. I always go slow the railroads, man. Okay, guys. Now I gotta find where to release. Where to release the birds. Don't get mad at me. Don't get mad at me. I was stopping the road, not stopping, slow down. Okay, that's 17 there up ahead. Okay, I gotta put my batteries on now. I gotta look and see where can I toss? This is all open space, there's cables. Oh man, I hate those cables. Oh, I hate those cables. Let me see. I don't like those cables. I'm gonna go across the street. Yeah, I'm gonna go across the street right here. Okay. I think the best is here. Because there's cables there, but the cables are far away. They have... Yep. I just gotta wait until no cars go by. Man, I'm gonna take it easy here. I don't want to get stuck here with my wife's car. My wife knows karate. There's water here everywhere. Yeah, this is good. This is good right here. I just gotta wait until no cars go by. See, no cables that way. Perfect. Perfect. See, man, I'm moving the spirit. Something told me to come here. All right. Let me see what time is it. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Oh, let me see how many miles. So it's come on. 16.7. See that? Hold up. 16.7 miles. See that? Trip A. Trip A, 16.7 miles. Man, I turned it off by mistake. Why? Why I turned it off by mistake? Anyway, 16.6 miles. See, same place, guys. Same place. I don't know why I turned it off by mistake. Okay? Same place. Come on. Okay, here we go. 17, see? Highway 17, right there. And there's a cable, but there's no cables the other way. Oh, come on. All right. There's no cables that way. So I just went to no cars come by at all. Oh, come on. Oh. Oh. Man, they're heavy. All right. So, I don't even know what time it is. I don't know what time is it. So I'm just going to wait as long as I think. Hopefully they don't hit that pole. I mean, they can see. Let me point it that way more. Point it this way. Okay. Black diamonds. Yeah. This is 17. Now, if you go see what they do, they release birds from all the way, like from over there. See, that's 17. They release birds from over there. Like, they go that way, and that's Arcadia. And then they just go out there. And I'm going to be doing that in the future. You know? I'm going to be doing that in the future. Let me go behind them, man. See this guy? See how pretty all this is? Yeah, well, what I'm gonna do is, let me get my water, man. I'm always drinking water. I love water. Oh. Really, Mr. Hot Rod? Yeah, like if that impresses the girls. All right, let me put this here. Oh, well, hey, look. I'm I'm gonna turn it off because I can't. I want to turn it off. I want to see what time is it. You know, 17. You know, I'm not cheating or nothing. Look at the place. Look at the place. I'm gonna turn it off. I'm gonna wait 15 minutes. I'm gonna turn it back on. All right. All right, guys. I'm gonna let the black diamonds go. Wow, look at that. That's the military. Anyway, I'm gonna let them go. I'm gonna make sure there's no cars. Wait. Okay. Go. Fast. Go up. Ooh. All right. These guys are doing great. Those are all hands. Black diamonds. I don't know if you can see them there. Now I'm going to release the whites, but I got to make sure, man, there's no cars whatsoever. And let me point it this way a little. I don't know where this guy. Oh, there they are. There they go. Okay, I gotta pay attention here. Make sure no cars go by. Right after that black car. And here we go. Go. Nice. Watch the cables. Thank you. Good girls. Oh, look at the black diamonds here. Look at the black diamonds. Look at the black diamonds here. Look at the whites there. Woo! Man. Look at these guys. I don't know if you can see. They are enjoying this, man. They are enjoying this. They're just flying now. They know where they're at. They're just flying. See them? You see them? They're coming back this way. You see them right there? See them in the distance? All right. I gotta go. They're just having fun, man. These birds, man, they eat so much protein and vitamins and amino acids and stuff. Yeah. Okay, guys, I'm going to hurry up so I can get there. Before they get there, you guys love your pigeons, enjoy your pigeons, and have a blessed day. They are back, guys. They are back. These birds, okay, so I released them from the southeast. The wind was 30 miles per hour from the northeast. Okay, sunny day, beautiful. They did great. They came back like in what? 30 minutes, 35 minutes, something like that. max maybe 40 minutes. I don't know. I didn't really see what time I thought I released them, but they came back way under an hour. Way under an hour. They're back, they go straight to the loft. You know, it's a good thing. Hopefully they all go in. Oh, I should have this open for them. Let me see. No, I'm not going to. Well, yeah, let me see. Let me open this for them. Okay, Mama. Let me put this down. These are the boys right here. I don't want the boys to go down. Get in, go. Come on, get in. Go, get in. Come on, get in. Go, 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 go. Dale, go. You, go, go. I'm gonna get you. Go. Oh gosh. Go. Okay, see, you're playing with me, see? You're playing with me. Going. Going. Thank you. Alright, so they're back. They're back. They're back. Hey, get in the house, man. Come here. Yeah. They're back. See, she wanted to go, the black one, she wanted to go in there with the cocks, you know? Good. I didn't think that I was going to have this whole video. I was going to do a short. See, I told you, she went with the cocks. I thought I was going to have the whole video, but I turned it off by mistake. But you guys know it's the same place. It's Highway 17. I let them go from there. 16, what was that? Yeah, 16.8 miles, I think. Yep. That's nothing for them. They just started like going around because they love. I thought it was going to take longer because it's a beautiful day. And when I let them go from short distances like that, they just fly around, man. But look, they came back fast. All right, guys. Next toss is going to be the cocks from the same place. I believe I still got to do some more confidence tosses. This was considered a confidence toss, but I still got like to do like 2 mile, maybe about 5 mile toss for Boo Boo. You know, but that's my wife's bird, and one already. I don't know what happened to that bird, man. Cutie already disappeared, so never came back. So I don't want to lose Boo Boo now, you know. That's my wife's bird. But she agrees that I can be gun shy. I have to let them go. I have to, you know, train them. All right, guys. Hey, one more time. One more time. You guys take care of your pigeons. Love your pigeons. And have a blessed day.